Welcome to Smart Hub Tawseeq Services. I need to show you two more options which are considered actually when we are making the new tenancy contract. One is the tenancy contract which we are making when we have a commercial contract where the option comes there, allow multiple licenses. So allow multiple license option is only available if the unit is going to be an office. So let me show you that new tenancy contract. I'm going to make a new tenancy contract and I want a commercial contract on offices. So this number, so I have taken a unit number which is actually an office. So you can see here, this is vacant and this is an office. So we'll select this and we'll try to make a contract here. So all the contracts where you need to have a commercial contract and you need to get this option, allow multiple licenses. So just to make it sure that allow multiple licenses option will be available only when the unit is going to be, when the unit type is actually an office and the unit usage is commercial. For another type which is called diplomatic contract, the diplomatic contract, for having a diplomatic contract there are two options. You need to have a residential contract which is actually given to a tenant. So we'll select a residential contract here which is vacant. Let's go to the next step. We select residential contract here. And we'll try to make residential contract with the person. Now here if you just change it into residential, no option of diplomatic is popping up here because the tenant is not a person. So to have a diplomatic contract you must have a residential contract plus the tenant should be a person. So I'll add the tenant as a person here. Here I've added a tenant as a person. Now you can see that it's a residential contract and we have added the tenant as a person, and then the option is enabled here which is called a diplomatic one. If I'll change this into commercial, it won't be there. So if I change into residential and there is a tenant which is a person, in that case I can have a residential diplomatic contract.